How to fix no output devices found in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix no output devices found on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your services at first. So search for services, and under that you can go with run as administrator. And once you open your services as an administrator, you need to just click on any service and then press W on your keyboard. After pressing W, now you just need to simply go with Windows Audio service. So you might have that Windows Audio here on the top, and you need to right click on it, make sure the service has been started and make sure that it is running. And you need to go with properties, and under properties make sure that the setup type is also automatic. So select automatic and start the service. After that, go with apply and OK. And if this doesn't fix, then you just need to simply go with the next solution, which is you need to open up your control panel. After opening your control panel, you need to go with view by and then go with large icons. And from here, you need to go with sound. And under sound, you need to go with the audios. So for example, if I have virtual speakers or speakers, if they are disabled, then you can right click on it and then go with the enable option. If they are disabled, you'll have the enable option. Instead of disable, you can just simply go with enable, and after enabling, your audio will fix. But if that also doesn't fix, then you just need to simply go with the audio section, which is right here, or the speakers option. Right click on that and then go with troubleshoot sound problems. Once you click on it, it will start the troubleshooter, and it might take a few minutes, like 4 to 5 minutes. Just wait for the troubleshooter to work, and after that, you need to apply the fix. And after applying, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to right click on your Windows, and here you will have the device manager option. Go with device manager, and under your device manager, you need to go with the audio section, which is right here, audio inputs and outputs. You need to go with the audio, and under audio, you need to go and just click on the audio driver. Right click on that, go with properties and go with the driver, and then go with update driver. After updating your drivers of your audio, then your problem will be fixed. Or you can also go with sound, video, and game controllers. Here also you can just simply go with the audio that you are using, right click on it and then go with update driver. And after updating the drivers, your problem might be fixed. So once you've done with all of these, then you just need simply go and restart your device. After restarting, you'll be able to fix that problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.